Welcome to our Toogoodtogo Morrisons bakery bag. This was $2.99, so the unveiling. This will be part of a series, also including Lidl food waste boxes and other ones we get, and seeing what we get for the money. So I've been doing this for about 2 years, getting these bags, but I've never documented them, so let's see. So we've got, these is finger rolls. I saw the bag and I was like, is it all finger rolls? Finger rolls? Finger rolls? Do you think we need any more finger rolls? Croissants. Got some tiger rolls here. So this is $2.99 and it's meant to total value of £6. I think they always usually do total well over it, but they vary greatly. This is Belgian white chocolate cookies. And for this one, it's some crusty rolls. So if we look at $2.25, so it's $3.35, $4.80, $5.70, and an $8.16.24. So it's about, this is about on its money. So before, I've had it in a crate, I've had it in a box, and it's been really full, and this time it was in a brown bag, so it does greatly vary, and it depends what they've got left, of course, because this is a waste bag. But it used to be £2, now it's $2.99, so it's a little bit of an increase, but it's still well over worth. So I got two. This is from I live between two different Morrisons, so this is from the first local one. But I accidentally bought one from another one, which ended up being actually better, so that was a great mistake that I made. So this is the first one, and we'll go on to the second bag in a sec, in a separate clip, as we'll judge each bag separately. So it's funny because I was talking about hot dogs just before I got the bag, and I ended up with these finger rolls, which are more or less hot dog rolls. So the universe must have heard me here. The guy wasn't too friendly coming out with it. He just looks like, why have I got to come into the shop floor from the bakery for? But anyway, this is the first bag, and so we'll make use of this stuff. Although the crusty rolls will probably go hard. They do freeze. Most of it does freeze quite well, so it'd be good with cheese and stuff. So I'll see you in the next clip for the second bag.